Mercedes-Benz automobiles, especially vans like the Sprinter, may be transformed into luxury cars by Brabus, an independent tuning firm. With vehicles like the Brabus Big Boy 1200, which is based on the Mercedes-Benz Actros truck, they have also made their foray into the motorhome industry. However, the Mercedes-Benz EV Brabus Motorhome 2026 has not yet been formally announced as a particular vehicle. The potential of a Mercedes-Benz electric vehicle base and Brabus iconic design might serve as inspiration for the outside of the 2026 Brabus-modified Mercedes-Benz electric motorhome. It will probably be based on the Mercedes-Benz eSprinter of the most recent generation. It will probably have a high-gloss paint finish and be dominated by gloomy hues like gray or black. On some details, contrasting accents like silver or red in the Brabus style may be employed. A more aggressive, standard Brabus-style front spoiler. More athletic side skirts that blend in with the overall style. An understated yet powerful rear spoiler. Big alloy wheels with a distinctive polish and a standard Brabus design, like the monoblock Y or Z. Big Brabus emblem on the grille, maybe a double B logo. A darker grille design or one made of carbon fiber may be used. For a sporty and upscale appearance, add carbon fiber accents to door handles, pillars, mirrors, and other body kit components. LED taillights and headlights with a bolder style or classic Brabus aesthetic elements. Daytime running lights, DRL, with a distinctive design could be added. Brabus emblems and insignia were positioned thoughtfully on the outside. The design will be adjusted to blend in with the general aesthetic if the living space has more side windows. The back and side doors will still work, although they could have a Brabus design element. The design will be incorporated to remain opulent and aerodynamic when closed, whether there is a pop-up roof or other expansion features. Potential interior components inspired by Brabus and the EV motorhome trend. The inside has premium wood, Alcantara, carbon fiber with unique finishes, and excellent Brabus mastic leather. Optimal use of available space, including distinct areas for sleeping, resting, cooking, and using the restroom. Perhaps equipped with a slide-out mechanism to increase the living area while parked. A big bed with a good mattress, perhaps with an electronic adjustment feature. Cozy Brabus leather couches and chairs, perhaps with heating or massaging capabilities. Induction hobs, ovens, microwaves, refrigerators with freezers, and even wine coolers are examples of high-end brand kitchen equipment, like Gaggenau. Typically, countertops are composed of opulent materials like premium composites or genuine stone. High-end finishing materials like marble or high-end ceramics. Stylish sinks with designer taps, ceramic toilets, and showers with strong water pressure. There may also be advanced ventilation systems and towel warmers. Large-screen smart TVs, high-end audio systems with well-placed speakers, and quick internet access are examples of advanced entertainment systems. Integration with smart devices, like smartphones. Sophisticated LED lighting systems that can be adjusted in numerous colors and settings to create a variety of moods. An effective, independently adjustable HVAC system provides optimal climate management in several interior zones. Well-designed cabinets and drawers are examples of smart storage that optimizes storage capacity without sacrificing style. Locking methods might be touch or electric. The Brabus interior stands out thanks to carefully positioned Brabus emblems, diamond pattern stitching, carbon fiber trim, and other distinctive design features. To keep an eye on battery life, range, and energy consumption, touch the control panel. The charging system is easily accessible.